Hello kids, hello everyone. Today in this video we will see to narrate an English story, The Thirsty Crow. The Thirsty Crow. So now see here, The Thirsty, what is this? This is a crow, crow. Okay. Now see here, what happened in this thirsty crow? You know what's the story behind the thirsty crow? Thirsty crow means a crow who was very thirsty. See, a crow who was, see, this is a crow. He was very thirsty. So what he did? He was looking for water here and there. Finally, he got the water. At last, he found where is the water. So it was in the pot. It was in the pot. So what happened? But the water was very little for him. He was unable to drink the water. See here. He was unable to drink the water. So what happened? What he did was, finally he thought of some plan to implement and he executed that plan. Why? Because he was very thirsty, He was very thirsty, right? He was thirsty. So he executed a plan. And then finally he achieved what he wanted. So what he did, it was his plan. We will see in the story what was his plan and how he achieved that. Finally we will see. Okay, and what is the moral behind this story? Every story will have its moral. Every story will have its lesson. Okay, so we will see today story. The name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. What is crow? Who is a crow? A crow is, this is a crow, right? This is a crow. Now see here, The Thirsty Crow. One day, what happened? One day, this crow was very thirsty. See, you can see in the image here first. First see the image, then I will narrate your story. Okay, see. This is the image. You can see the image here. I have drawn for you. See. So, in the image, what happened? This crow was feeling very thirsty. Okay. So, finally, what he did? He thought of some plan how to get the water. For us, if we are thirsty or we are hungry, we will find anyhow. Right? At home, our mother will help us to get the water, or our parents will help us, or our grandparents will help us, right? If we are hungry, the food will be ready for us. But for the crow, is it the same story? No. For the crow, it's totally a different story. He need to find whatever he wants or whatever he needs, he need to find by his own. So see here, what happened? Story, The Thirsty Crow. One day, a crow was, that is this crow, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. He was looking, this crow was looking for water here and there. Finally, what happened? He didn't find any water. Then, at last, after a long time, he found a pot of water. He found a pot of water. See, this is the pot. This is the pot. So what happened? Finally, he found a pot of water. You can see here. See, are you able to see now? See. Finally, he found a pot of water. That is this pot of water. But was there a water enough to drink him? No, right? So, but there was very little water in the pot. But there was very little water in the pot. So, what he did? He finally thought of a plan how to get the water. So, what he did? He finally thought of a plan. What to do? He was thinking. If you want something and you are unable to get it, so what you do? You will think of a plan, right, children? Yes. You will think of a plan, then you will implement it and execute it. Then you will finally achieve what you want, right? Now see here. So the crow also did the same. So crow for water he found a pot of water, but there was very little water in the pot. So he thought of a plan. What to do? He thought of a plan. Finally he thought, see there are so many stones are there, small stones, so small pebbles. What he did? He collected those small stones and put them into the pot one by one. See here, in the crow, in a beak, see here, one stone is there, right? One small stone is there. He was collecting one stone and he was putting each stone one by one in the pot. So finally what happened? See here. Finally this much stones was there and the water came up. The crow drank the water and he flew away happily. See here, he flew away happily. So what is the moral here? The moral is, what is the moral? When there is a will or where there is a will, there is a way. We will read once again. See, story is the thirsty crow. The thirsty crow. Now what happened is, see, one day a crow was very thirsty. So he was looking for water. He looked for water here and there. At last he saw a pot of water. This is the pot of water which he found. At last he saw a pot of water, but there was very little water in the pot. So the crow thought of a plan. So what he did? He thought of a plan. He collected some small stones. He collected some pebbles. He collected. See here, there are pebbles right here. So he collected those small stones and put them into the pot. See, he's putting into the pot one by one. One by one he put them into the pot. Finally, the water came up. See, the water came up. After putting so many stones, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. This story was about a crow who was very thirsty. Okay, when we also, for an example, if an exam is there or if a test is there or if any work is there, homework or something, if we do our work studiously or if we do our hard work, we will finally achieve the output. That is, the output will be in our favor. Right? The crow also did the same. What he wanted, he achieved it by the way of thinking a plan. He thought how to get the water. So he implemented the thought and he executed. Finally, he achieved what he wanted. That is to get the thirst done. Okay. So he was very thirsty. I will repeat once again the story. I will narrate once again. See. One day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. At last, he saw a pot of water. So, which pot of water he saw? Finally, he saw a pot of water. Then, but there was it the water enough, sufficient for him to drink? No, right? So, finally what happened? But there was very little water in the pot. In the pot, there was very little water. So, he thought of a plan. He started to collect some small stones and put them into the pot. Okay, drop it into the pot one by one. Finally, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you, children. In our next video, we will see some new rhymes or some new story or some new different creativity. Thank you.